Hey guys, Haz here in Shield Canine, and I'm here with Mike at Grassroots Canine.
We're here for our second annual Slip and Bite. We did it last year. Haz came out with us, so
I'm always happy to come out and support working dog events. It's a really good thing for the dogs and for the working community to have something a little bit outside of like the structured bite sports, something that doesn't require maybe a year of hard training. You can kind of get the dog out and test the dog. But what I want to do with this one is I want to kind of give you guys feedback on the dogs that I'm personally working and the dogs that I'm seeing, and then maybe Mike will give you guys some feedback too, and just be realistic about like what we're looking at, you know, and hopefully nobody here has like a big ego. They can't handle that, but we like to be honest about what we're seeing, what the dogs are doing, what they need to work on, whether it's a training issue, genetic issue, so on and so forth.
Luckily we've been able to kind of foster that culture. We're here, we all care about dogs, we want to make them better, but we also have to be realistic with what's in front of us, and being able to point those maybe weaknesses out. As Haz said, it can be in training, it can be genetic, and then giving them kind of a little plan to move forward with. So that's what we're going to try and do today as well.
So you can see like the dog's a little bit confused here. This is a good one. But the dog's not worried, and that's something nice to see. A lot of times the dog might be worried about that. You can see he's still like quite nice and open. All right guys, so level 1 dog's done. You saw a variety of dogs there, different levels of training, different levels of dog. Obviously you can see a lot of the dogs didn't like the decoy sitting down. They didn't like coming under the roof of the hut here. So now we're gonna get into the level 2 dogs, and maybe we'll see another level of dog here. And the important thing again, guys, like it's a very harmless thing to do with your dog. Like you're not gonna lose doing this with your dog. I mean, if your dog doesn't engage, again, it's not like your dog got broken. So it's just good fun. So guys, yeah, this is level 2. You can see the quality of dogs in some areas now is improving. We got some dogs that are showing some real commitment now, and the heat obviously from the decoys is being turned up. You guys are gonna see some more of these, and then we're gonna get on the level 3s. And the level 3s, we can really, as a decoy, turn up the heat and push and test the dog and see what we're working with. Dog's handled by Mike's daughter, and put some pressure on him, and he stayed in there. And yeah, this is my first litter of puppies ever, Malinois litter, FCI registered dogs, and Bam's a pretty good dog. Lots of fun, as you can see, on the 3s, we had some dogs who could really handle a fair bit of pressure. And at this last station, we weren't really planning specific things. We were just doing different things, whether yelling at the dog obedience commands or fend offs or whatever it was. So these things, a lot of this stuff, you don't need a decoy to prepare for. You can actually prepare for this without a decoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and check out our online course at shieldcanine.ca. Also check out my friend Mike at Grassroots Canine, so you can check him out.